Welcome to Wellness by Degrees. I'm excited to announce that I'm going to be doing a chair yoga challenge starting January 1st for 30 days. For this challenge, you'll need a couple of props. If you don't have them, don't worry. I'll have some substitutes available at the beginning of each class. So some yoga blocks, a yoga strap, some weights, a blanket, and 2 chairs. The chairs need to have no arms and be pretty sturdy. I'm really excited, and I'll see you starting January 1st. If you want to join the challenge, like this video and share it with a friend. Thanks. We'll see you soon.